What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Andre. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my funnel that created my first $10,000 a month. All right, so stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you guys the tools that I've used. I'm going to show you the exact setup that it is super simple. So there is not much that I've done to it. The only thing that I've done was I just set it up, created an ad, run ads to that specific funnel, and it just convert. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I've used to create my very first $10,000 a month. And I've done this, I think, in 2017. It's 2018 now. And I should have made a video about this a long time ago, but I thought about it today and I said, you know what? This would be a great video to create for you guys that are watching that. You're probably out there struggling right now and you want to wonder. And I mean, you're out there thinking, okay, how can this be possible? But believe it or not, I've made multiple $10,000 per month in my online business. But I just want to share with you guys what I've done, the tools that I've used, so you can even duplicate it if you want and create your own style, because it's not anything fancy that I've created. Believe it or not, it's nothing fancy. And people think that you have to have this fancy, you need to go pose beside a Lamborghini, you need to stand up and show all that kind of stuff. Nobody cares about that. As long as you're providing value and as long as you're giving people what they came for, that's all that matters. So you don't have to worry about it. Your job is to make sure that you put whatever it is, funnel that you've created, in front of many people. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Subscribe to this channel. I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just ways how you can get better in life. And for my regulars, welcome back. And always let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So I'm going to be doing some screen sharing, and a lot of that is going to be happening right now. So I'm going to show you guys. So look at this, right? This is my wife and I, by the way, my beautiful wife. And this is the thank you page. But before I even get to that, I'm going to show you guys the tool that I've used to create all this. So don't get ahead of yourself. I'm going to start from capture page, thank you page, into the video, all right? So the tool that I've used is called Online Sales Pro. This is the tool that I've been using, right, since I started my online journey. And it's a great tool. I love it. They have amazing training in here, right? So if you look in here as well, and we go into resources area, where you could take a little tour. There's, system trainings, right? Again, how you can even create a funnel, how to use quick editor, all that kind of stuff, share codes, autoresponders, all that kind of stuff. So they have a bunch of different trainings. So I'm going to show you guys, what I've done, what I've created, and it's just a simple funnel that I put together that actually generated my first, because at first I tried a lot of different funnels. So do keep in mind that this is not my first funnel that I just put together and then boom, I started making my first, first, second, third, or fourth 10K per month. So I just want to clarify that, put that disclaimer out there that my result can be absolutely different from your result. You can make more or you can make less. So let me just put that out there right now. It's all the work and effort that you put in, and you got to be persevere. All right. Perseverance is always wins. So what I've done is, for me personally, I like to use just an email. That's just how I work. Now, most people probably want to go out there and do name, email, all that type of stuff. It doesn't matter, right? And it doesn't matter what it is that you're in, business that you're in, right? Everybody like to do things differently. For me, I just want to get the email. That's it. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Short and sweet. So as you can see here, Banking Easy, $730 a month passive income using this quick trick, this quick and easy trick without any experience or skill needed. Now, this is for Online Sales Pro. They created this. I like to do things a little backwards. So here's how I work, right? The first thing what I do, I always start down here. I said, all right, what kind of call to action do I need to do? Am I gonna give them like a free template, a free template or free audio or free video or something that want to get them to put their email address in, right? So for me, I do a free video, or two, you can do a PDF file. You can give that away, right? You can create PDF just by using. I think you can use PDF file, right? So you can use a PDF file and connect it inside of your autoresponder, which then going to send them that first initial email, right? So you can do all that kind of stuff, or just quick tips, hacks, and whatever it is, right? So this right here, you could change this if you want, not a problem, right? Without any experience needed. But let's say for the video's sake, I'm just gonna leave this right here for now, okay? I'm just gonna leave this here for now, but I'm just gonna go into the edit section and show you guys some of my pages that I've created. So if you look through here, as you can see, I like to test different pages. I like to test, see what works. So many people, especially in the affiliate marketing online space, they come online and they think that the first ad or the first capture page or the first thing that they created is going to be the best thing ever. Let me tell you right now, it's going to suck. Believe it or not. Some of you probably don't want to hear that, but your first capture page or your first funnel or whatever you create is going to suck, right? I like to do these things because I like to get into some technical stuff. But, if you want to just stick with what the company or whatever it is provide, sure, why not? But that's just me. I like to create my own stuff, right? So what I've done, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find it, right? All right, there it is. Now, this right here. I didn't put any income claim on it. I did not put any form of, I said, hey, time is running out. Discover why top online marketers are leaping at the chance to go all in, right? And then here, I think I put, yeah, there it is. I said, learn how you can make 60% in residual income. And I said, yeah, show me how. Simple. So what I've done is, right, my target audience, remember, when you create your capture page, you have to be specific on who you're trying to target. You cannot create something that say, oh, time is running out. Discover why top online marketers are leaping at the chance to go all in, right? Then you're going to go and advertise to people who've never done online marketing before, right? Your message got to be congruent. So if you want to target those people, sure, target, but more likely it's not gonna hit. Just like if you are trying to, and I always use this, you probably hear me say this a lot of times. If you're trying to sell a shovel to someone who a snow shovel to someone who lives in Jamaica is hot, there's no snow down there, why do you think that person is gonna buy that shovel? They're not gonna buy it. So you just got to be making sure that your capture page, your landing page, or the page that you're going to collect the information has to be congruent with your ad. I've created videos how to create ad. So check out my videos on this channel so you guys can know, right? This is what I've done right here to create my very first 10K a month consistently, right? I'm not saying it's every month, but it's up, down, up, down. It's just like any other business. But this is what I've done to start to do multiple 10K per month online, right? And you guys, now, I'm not saying go out there and swipe this because, right? You could just look and see what simple, super simple. That's what I've done. right? And then what I've done is, once they put their information in, then it goes straight to, where is it? It goes straight here, right? So then they're gonna opt in. Once they put their email address in, it's gonna come right here. And then I just basically, right, I said, I use, what I've used this to create, I use WordPress, by the way. If you guys wanna know what I use this, you know, how I created this. So I basically use Online Sales Pro and congruent with WordPress, and then it goes straight to my sales video. That's it. So I can send this to any sales video that I want, because guess what? The front end is doing well. So I can send this to anything that I want to promote. Now, as I can see, I put my own personal touch. So that means when they're receiving email from me, they'll be like, oh, I've seen this guy before and his wife. I've seen Andre, so why not participate in whatever he's doing, right? Remember, not everybody is going to take action on the first time they see something. Sometimes it takes them like 5, 6, 7, even 12 times, right? A year from now, who knows, right? So what I did, I said, hey, I said, thank you. Must read all the details below. So I put all some details down there, information. I said, your email address has been verified, about 75% completion. An email was sent to you, so it should arrive in 3 to 10 minutes from now. However, there are some instructions in the email you must follow. Full validation, yada, 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 and boom, right? If they click on here, it's gonna take them to a sales video. So as you can see, I've created a capture page, I've created a thank you page that goes straight to the sales video. After they watch the sales video, then they're gonna be like, okay, this is great. Now I'm gonna make a purchase. So everything that I've showed you here is what I've done, right? I've created other sales funnel, multiple sales funnel, because I have to consistently test. You know, sometimes this will work really good and then it just dies down, and then I have to go create another one. You have to be creative. You have to constantly create a sales funnel and make sure everything works and make sure everything connects. So that's all I did right there, and I hope this video helps. So yeah, I did WordPress to create this, and this thing that's called Insta Builder, right? So check those out. Hope this helps. And if you guys want to get sign up for Online Sales Pro, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Make sure you click on it because I told you about it. So you know it's the plug. Make sure you check it out. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I hope this helps, and I'll see you around. Peace.